I'm not kidding when I say this is the best cat furniture ever. Naomi Home Present, the Nala Triple Cat Tower. Perfect for scratching, playing, climbing, and resting. Featuring 3 separate lounges for your kitty to watch and chill, 2 separate scratching posts for a healthy scratching behavior. It also helps to keep your fur baby away from scratching furniture, carpets, indoors. Each level in our cat tower holds up to 50 pounds, making it ideal for cats on the chunk scale. This triple cat tower comes in various colors such as green, beige, and gray. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.